Chief Meteorologist Kurt Aaron has been on the air with us since 4 o'clock, tracking tornado warnings as they've moved through northeastern and central Pennsylvania. They are now out of our area, right, Kurt? But we're not out of the woods yet.
We're not out of the woods yet, but yes, the tornado warnings have expired. And you were with me all afternoon as we were tracking them together, Stacy. One of the spots that we were focusing on this afternoon was in that southeast corner of our viewing area. I know Northampton County's not in our viewing area, but Bangor, very close to the border, and we've had a lot of people, Stacy, send us video because they watch us. Here's some video that we've got, Stacy, one of those tornadoes. You see that right there?
Wow. Wow. You can see it spinning.
Yep, you can see the rotation in it. You can see how it's down all the way to the ground. Now, obviously, the National Weather Service, I just got off the phone with Mark from the National Weather Service, and they're going to send a crew down there, obviously, because they have a confirmation that it was a tornado that was on the ground there. So we'll have to see EFO, EF1, what type of damage. And that's one of the things, and we were talking about it earlier, Stacy, you know, the debris pattern and how they tell whether it's straight line winds or tornado. And they can also tell the degree as to what the tornado is. EF0 obviously would be the weakest, EF1, and then it goes up. So we'll see. This is what we have going on right now. As you can see, that area of low pressure right here over the Great Lakes. Remember, this low was back here yesterday, and that's why everything was going from the southeast to the northwest in that direction. Now that that low is moving more towards us, everything is moving north now, and that's what we've been seeing throughout the afternoon here. So keeping a close eye on all of this, even though we don't have the tornado warnings, doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet. As you can see, that line, this is the line here, just east of Pleasant Mount, right here, this line that spawned all those tornado warnings earlier, that is gradually working its way to the northeast. We've got some showers and some more storms down here, just west of Stroudsburg. That is going to move up into Mount Pocono. We'll keep an eye on that. And then back towards Bloomsburg, Lewisburg, Benton, up into LaPorte. We've got some downpours, flooding, of course, a concern of ours. There's that line that spawned. At one point, we had 3 tornado warnings in our viewing area. Not the case now, though, but still storms out there and some heavy rain coming down in parts of Nanticoke over towards Benton. Again, some flash flooding certainly possible. And up here in the northern tier, we've had Bradford, we've had Tioga County with flash flood warnings going on, and it's still pouring in Tioga County. So you folks up there in Tioga, I understand. I mean, you guys have just been hit with just so much rain over the past 48 hours. So, all right, this is what we have going on. Flood watch in the green, but these are flood warnings, flash flood warnings that you see in the gold here. We also have severe thunderstorm watch in the purple, and then severe thunderstorm warnings going on as well. So there's a lot going on. This is a view from our Wilkes-Barre camera, another round of rain moving through there. Also visibility very poor, dropping off to almost nothing. This is Holly. Good afternoon to you. Good evening to you at Holly. You can see the rain coming down there, and this is what it looks like from our roof cam. We are getting a little break from the rain that's out there. 57 the temperature. We were up to 73. Rain cooled air. You've heard me talk about it many times. There you go. And relative humidity is at 93%. All right, with the rain, I want to show you this. This is our visibility down to 2 miles Mount Pocono, 4 miles Lehigh, and only 5 miles in Williamsport, and only 2 miles there up in Wellsboro. So all the rain that's going on. Look at this, Stacy. This updated as of 5 o'clock. This isn't the total yet. Remember we were talking about those showers?
So that's about an inch since we last talked about it, which was about 4 o'clock.
Right, because it was just over an inch at 4:45.
Wow.
Then it updated at 5, so they got another inch of rain. So certainly flooding going on there as well. And then future clouds and radar. I mentioned these storms will be tapering off overnight tonight. There it is, 6:30 tomorrow morning. We should be dry, and we'll get a break from the storms tomorrow. There's temperatures around the region. That rain-cooled air, we're in the 50s, and we're pretty much going to stay in the 50s through the overnight tonight. So 52, those storms will be early. And then let me just go ahead and hit the 7-day forecast, and we'll let that pop up there. There it is. So we've got some nice weather to talk about for tomorrow. We'll be looking at 70. Better chance for some more showers and storms on Thursday into Friday. And then the Mother's Day weekend right now looks excellent. If that high builds in here, by Sunday, Stacy, we could be talking mid-70s and sunshine and drying out. Oh, that'll feel great.
We like to end on a high note.
There you go.